Let's build a custom mockup template in YoPrint, one your whole team can reuse on any job. From the homepage, open Settings and find Mockup Templates in the sidebar. Click Create Template and give it a name. We'll call ours Riverline Mugs. The editor opens blank, so let's lay out the card. We'll start with a square frame and drag a corner to size it up. Then we'll open the 3D tab, add the simple mug, and size it to sit nicely inside the frame. To finish the card, we'll add a text label, center it, stretch it wider, and set it just below the square. When the card looks right, click Publish and Close. Your template lands in the list, published and ready to reuse. Now let's put it to work. Open a job from its sales order, go to Mockup Files, and click Create Mockup. In Templates, your team's templates sit right beside the YoPrint gallery, with a search for when your collection grows. We'll pick the one we just made and apply it. We'll open the 3D tab and bring up the mug's 3D editor. From the Image tab, we'll drop in the artwork, resize it with the corner handles, and set it on the mug. Then, we'll save the mug back to the sheet and click Publish and Close. YoPrint saves the mockup to the job, ready to show your customer. That's the YoPrint Mockup Creator. Try it on your next job.